peaches from Ruston, Louisiana. What we're going to do today, we're going to go ahead and make a fresh peach cobbler. We'll show you how to do that from scratch, baby, from scratch. Anyway, I got a lot of peeling to do. When I get them all done, we'll get back on this tube and get it going. Talk to y'all at the while. First thing I want to do, here's what you need. Half a stick of butter that's melted. I'm using a 9x11 casserole dish, baking pan, a deep one here, so I can go ahead and make my cobbler. I'm going to take this melted butter, pour it in there. Get rid of it. It's in there. It's out of the way. Oh yeah, it's out of the way. I like to kind of move it around a little bit. Now, next thing you need, on the side, boy. Next thing you need is a good bowl to do some mixing. And here's what we're going to do. Right now, 3/4 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. I'll put that in there. Now look, write this stuff down now, I need a pinch of salt. It says 1/8 of a teaspoon. Well, that's a pinch. That's a pinch right there. So that salt's done. That's it. That's it for salt. Put it on the side, boy. I gotta mix my dry ingredients right now. 1½ cups granulated sugar. Oh yeah, baby. Woohoo! 2 teaspoons baking powder. Get on in there. Come on, get all of y'all all get out. You gotta make sure you get all the baking powder out of there. Now let me move this on the side here. Get it out the way. So I'll have some room. Alright, now what I want to do, kind of stir these dry ingredients up just a little bit, Just a little bit. I've got 6 fresh peaches I'm going to be using. Alright, I'm going to put my milk in there. Yes indeed, look at this puppy. 3/4 of a cup of milk. Mix it in. Alright, get in there. You want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. 400. And you're going to bake this for 30 minutes. This size pan I got right here, that's good for 30 minutes. Bake it for 30 minutes. Alright, let me mix this real good. Tell you what, this cobbler here, hey, if you just recently proposed to a gal and she says she got to think about it, make this. Feed it to her. Let me tell you what, that's it. It's a done deal, dude. Here we go. Now you're at a point right now that if you do wish to add a little cinnamon, do it now, but only do a pinch. But that's your call, it's not mine. You're not going to find that in my recipe. Alright, here we go. Pour it into your bowl. Let it all go. Just pour it in. You don't want nothing to stay behind. Alright. Let's get on with the peaches, baby. Now I'm going to pull you up here right now so you can get a good look at this. Alright, as you can see, all I'm doing here, I'm doing is just chopping them up. Alright, and this is what it looks like, Chad. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, it is ready to hit the oven. I'm at 400 degrees right now. I'm going to put it in my oven for 30 minutes and we'll see what happens. We're going to check it out when it comes out. Take that thing out of there. I put it for 30 minutes, but hey, you can't never tell what's going on. I put in 6 peaches. I should have went and did it for 40 minutes. Anyway, you either go 30 minutes, look at it. If it's okay, fine. If you need 40 minutes, do it. But don't leave it too long because you don't want it dry. Let's take it out. Ooh, baby. Hot dang, look at that son of a gun. Lord mercy. This thing is ready, Shay. Look, we're going to do a close-up of this. Yes, indeed. Oh, that mercy. Look at it. Look at that. All right. Now you're off. Here we go. Let's take a little taste of this. This is perfect. Perfect. And that's just the way I like it, just like that. Look at these peaches. Ruston peaches. And I tell you what, I've got such a beautiful brown up there. Lord, yeah. Got to taste it, yeah. Man. That little crust is great. And it's moist. That's the way a cobbler is supposed to be. Lord. Hey, look at this, Chef Bourque. I gotta pass this around now. I don't know how many people gonna be eating on it, but the more people show up, the less they're gonna get. Hey, Chef Bourque, but talk with you later. Oh yeah, baby. Take it easy, Chef. Hot dang. Lord, don't forget to subscribe and you got your thumbs up. Oh yes.